Hello everyone, and welcome to Once Upon a Couch with Grace. I'm Grace, and once upon a couch I spent a lot of time watching TV, eating peanut butter cups, eating chips, you name it. But since then I've spent over a decade researching health and fitness and helping others achieve their fitness goals. So today I'm going to talk about the free videos I'm offering online, how those differ from what's already out there, and how I can help you achieve your fitness goals. So being fit is not just about what you eat and exercise. My channel is about health and well-being, having mobility, and being the best version of yourself. All right, let's talk about that. Welcome back. What did you think I was gonna hold that position for the whole video? So who am I? I have a BAH, an M.E.S.S, a PhD, ABD, So I use my experience to develop low to moderate intensity workouts that are also low impact. So that means easy on the knees, easy on the joints. I'm also developing some depression and anxiety considerate videos. So I have lots of experience working with many different age groups across different fitness levels in a research context. And I also grew up alongside a parent who suffered from morbid obesity. She fluctuated somewhere between 350 to 500 pounds. So I watched her struggle. I watched her health decline. I myself was also at a time one of the most overweight kids in my class, and a lot of the photos from that time have been conveniently lost. I found a couple. I think this is of me in 4th or 5th grade. And I say conveniently lost, but really I did not like my picture being taken at that time. And I also threw out some photos. So I have firsthand experience of the struggles that overweight and obese people face and what needs to change in order to get healthy. When we think about fitness goals, we think of what are you eating and how much are you exercising. But we're not just muscle and stomach, right? So it's important to also take care of all aspects of your body and your environment. So I create a useful acronym called F.R.E.E the M.E.S.S. And this is to remind you of the different things you can do to boost your mood and improve your life. And just doing one of these things for 20 minutes a day can really make the difference. And now you don't have to do each of these things. You can choose which ones work with you and what days you want to do them. So F.R.E.E the M.E.S.S, we've got fasting, relaxing, you can consider your environment, you can manage your eating or your diet, you can consider your mind, and of course there's exercise. You can ensure that you're getting enough sleep, or you can do something that stimulates either your physical body or your mind. So whether that be, you can get a massage, or you can engage in an interesting hobby and activity. So for this program, consistency is key. Taking 20 minutes each day to care for yourself versus 1 hour every 3rd day and getting exhausted. All right, and notice that exercise is a part of the list. So you can choose to exercise, or you can choose to relax and take a bath. And if you're trying to lose weight and instead of consuming 200 calories, you're now taking a bath, then that's just as beneficial as exercise towards reaching your fitness goal. And now in my F.R.E.E the M.E.S.S playlist, I'll have a video series where I go into more detail about each of these and how they can help you achieve your fitness goal and keep you healthy and happy in the long term. All right, and if you commit to making positive daily changes, you'll be amazed at the difference you'll see in just a few months. I'll be joined occasionally with Chef Rich, and he'll share his nutritional recipe ideas. Now there's a lot of recipes online, and so we're gonna stick to sharing what we call our replacement recipe to junk food. There was a time when I needed something tasty but quick that would replace things like cinnamon buns and cookies and peanut butter cups. And so these are the replacement recipes that I've shared with friends and relatives and colleagues as well, and have had the most success at providing a healthy alternative to junk. Now, if you have a particular food that you crave a lot and you're looking for replacement recipe, just give us a little comment in the bottom and we'll do some research, and if we don't already have a solution, we'll see if we can find one. So one of the aspects that I liked about junk food is that it was quick, it was there. So a lot of the recipe ideas might not necessarily be Instagrammable, but they work. And another thing is, unless you're trying to fit into the itsy bitsy bikini, eating carrots and hummus as a replacement for a chocolate bar craving, I wouldn't recommend, and we can talk more about that. So you can subscribe for weekly videos. I'd also love to hear about your stories and progress. So come along with me and we'll make the days of you being a couch potato a part of your past. And soon you'll be saying you were once upon a couch. All right, give yourself a big hug. I'll see you next time. Hello everyone, and welcome to Once Upon a Couch with Grace. Hi everyone, and welcome to Once Upon a Couch with Grace. Okay. I can help you reach your fitness goals and live well and prosper. No, that's not the line. Too much? So come along with me and we'll make the days of being a couch potato, potato, a potato, tomato, potato. You can do this. Okay. So come along with me and together we'll make, we will make a difference. So you can click the button below to subscribe. All right, that's a wrap. This is my song, you better sing along. I'm a rap star coming at ya. Oh, I'm still recording.